How to turn off or on storage permission on closet on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and now click the three lines here in the bottom corner and then click settings and now click permissions. Then just wait. Now scroll all the way down and here you will find the closet. You can turn it on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.